Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet and license plate recognition and send Challan on mail, and also it will store the number plate in Excel file. Okay, so this is the testing file. Okay, and this is the training file. These all are the images which we use for the training purpose. Okay, and these are the labels, Excel file, and yeah, these are the images which we use for the user interface. So these are related files. Okay, let's explore one by one. These are the testing images and video. This is the utils file. This is the weight files. So this is the complete project folder. So let's open the requirement file. Okay, now open the terminal and run this project. So write python space start project.py and hit enter. So model will load and it will open the login page. So user have to enter the username and password. The username is admin and password is equal to pass123. Okay, then click on the login. So this will be the user interface. Now give input image. So first it will detect the helmet, license plate and the rider, and okay, after that it will recognize the license plate. Yeah, you can see that helmet status, number plate, plate number, number of passenger. Okay, it will extract the license number from the license plate, like you can see the number. Okay, and number of passenger is 1. So if you click on the send Challan, then it will send Challan on that register email ID. So I'm opening mail ID and let's check for the Challan. You can see that it sent Challan with the person and the date with the Challan, like how much Challan is generated. It is 500 rupees. It works on the video like that. Okay, let's select any video. I'm selecting this video. So first it will detect, the detection part is done. Like in that it will detect the helmet, rider and the license plate. Okay, now it works on the recognition part. You can see like it will detect the helmet status, license plate and the rider. It will give the accuracy also. You can see the number. Okay, after detection part it will recognize or it will extract the license plate. Okay, now you can see like the helmet status not wearing, number plate visible, plate number, okay, and number of passenger 1. So if there is a 3 person sitting in the scooty, then it will count as a 3 or else 1. Now click on the send Challan and it will send Challan on mail. Okay, I'm just refreshing it. Yeah, you can see it sent Challan of 500 rupees. Okay, without wearing helmet, and it will also capture the person image. Okay, this is the complete project. Now click on the exit and close this. Okay, now open the Excel file. This is the complete Excel file. You can just open one by one. I am opening in notepad format. You can open in the Excel file. You can check the status. Okay, now again run a python space traffic detector live. It works from the real-time laptop camera. So laptop camera will open and it will detect the person face, that it is wearing helmet or not, and it will also detect the license plate. Like in that scooty there is a 3 person. Okay, so it will show the status like the person is wearing helmet or not. Okay, from the real-time laptop camera the accuracy might vary, because the laptop camera is not good quality. Okay, you can see like no helmet person, rider, like it will also detect the license plate. You can show any image from the phone, or it work with good accuracy. You can provide any input image, it works on that. Like the accuracy might vary, but the model will work. Okay, we have trained the model on large data set, so we can get the good accuracy. Okay, this is the complete project. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.